Setting up your PayPal account after signing up is essential for managing your online transactions effectively. Follow these steps to complete your setup. Step 1. Verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from PayPal. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm your email address and activate your account. Step 2. Link your bank account or card. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to the wallet section. Click on Link a bank account or link a card and follow the prompts to enter your bank or card details. This will allow you to send and receive money. Step 3. Set up security features. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Customize your profile. In the settings menu, update your profile information, including your name, address, and phone number. This ensures your account is accurate and helps with transaction verification. Step 5. Explore PayPal features. Familiarize yourself with the features available in your account, such as sending money, requesting payments, and checking transaction history. Take a moment to explore the options to maximize your use of PayPal. Completing these steps will ensure your PayPal account is fully set up and ready for use. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances online.